Wait, do you have a...
No.
You don't have quantities of anything?
Nope.
Okay, hi.
Okay, what's up? It's Kat Dev from Two Market Girls. We're trying something a little bit different today.
Yeah, we're like hybriding a couple of our past styles of videos.
Yeah. Like we used to do these challenge videos.
Recipe challenges.
Where there would be a theme or an ingredient or something that we both had to follow, and we would make 2 recipes, and then it would be a battle.
Yeah, so like we've done a burger challenge before. We've done a dollar store challenge before.
Done so many.
We've done
breakfast or brunch.
Yeah. Waffles?
Pretty sure we did pizza. We probably did waffles.
Yeah. We've done a lot.
Yeah.
And I kind of missed them. They're fun because you get 2 fun recipes in one, except we're not giving you recipes. We're just testing things out now.
That's where it becomes a hybrid.
Yeah.
It's a test kitchen and a challenge.
I mean, if they work out,
2 recipes.
you might be getting 2 recipes.
And this one is cookie themed.
Yeah, we're making cookies because we did do a cookie challenge once, I think. Maybe not.
I don't remember that.
I don't know. Okay, but yeah, we're doing cookie themed because that's our blog. Our blog is cookies.
We love cookies.
Yeah. So we're basically we're going based off of our chocolate chunk cookie recipe and just making some adjustments for our flavors. So what are you doing? You have a really cool idea.
That might be to my detriment.
No, I think it's gonna be so good.
Mine is a ice cream sundae inspired cookie.
So good.
So in the cookie, I want it to have like the vanilla sugariness, vanilla ice cream. Yeah. But then I also want a little bit of like a waffle cone taste in it. So I'm gonna like grind up some waffle cones so it can be part of the flour.
I'm gonna like replace some of the flour with waffle cone flour.
And then I want to have like a little nest of strawberry or raspberry jam.
Almost like a thumbprint cookie.
Yeah. And then bake it like that and then drizzle with chocolate and then sprinkles.
That's such a good idea. Honestly, I'm so excited for it.
I hope so. I really don't know.
Yeah. Mine's more basic than that.
It's not basic at all, actually.
Honestly, I think it's pretty basic. But I'm going to do chocolate covered pretzel cookies. So
delicious. I'm
going to replace some of the flour. I love that we had this exact idea. I'm going to replace some of the flour with like ground up pretzels. And then, add some chunks of pretzels in there. And then once the cookie's baked, dip it in chocolate. So it's like, the cookie is the pretzel and then it's dipped and coated in chocolate.
I love chocolate covered pretzels more than a lot of things in the world.
Wow. I mean, they are good. Salty and sweet. It's the ultimate combo.
Perfect. So I'm excited for this.
So we're gonna try and make these cookies. Hopefully they work out.
Like we haven't tested these recipes. That's the thing.
But I think they're gonna be fine. My only worry is like how the flour substitution with like the waffle cone and with the pretzels, because like I'm less worried about the pretzels, though I think the pretzel texture could be weird. I'm more worried about the waffle cone because waffle cone I feel like is a lot of sugar.
Oh, probably.
So it'll be interesting.
I actually had to get sugar cones because I couldn't find waffle cones.
So actually that could play well into the cookie though.
They are the exact same ingredients.
Are they?
On the boxes.
They're just different quantities.
They're different shapes. Is that a thing?
And different quantities. And cooking methods are different.
I think it's a scam. No.
I don't know. Waffle cones are so different than sugar cones though.
Yeah, but when you just get them like at the grocery store,
maybe not.
Like maybe like a real fresh made one.
Yeah, maybe.
But I don't know about these ones.
Yeah.
So anyways, I have 2 sugar cones.
Which I actually think would work really well with the flavor combo you're going, because then you get that like sugar cookie vibe. Sweet ice cream,
I hope so.
Yeah, I'm curious if it'll have an ice creamy Sundae vibe.
I don't know.
The ice cream part is where it's like,
how do I
I think you have to add a lot of vanilla to it.
Should I just
really
like
vanilla-y.
Google an ice cream cookie?
Yeah,
no wait, that's gonna be a different thing. Okay, there you heard it here. I am basing this recipe off of our soft sugar cookie recipe.
Yeah, I'm basing mine off of our chocolate chunk cookie recipe. Like all of our cookies are based off of that. But I also thought about trying to figure out a savory cookie. I thought an everything bagel cookie could be fun.
Good prep. We both made our flax ice.
Yeah.
We both ground up. I got my sugar cone powder. You got your pretzel powder. We are making our way. I'm not cutting this in half anymore. I said I was going to, but I can't do that to my brain.
You can't math it?
No, I don't want to.
Oh, I have to third cup the butter? It's too risky. Come on, Catherine.
I need
warm enough?
half a cup of coconut oil. Same science.
Really cold.
That would be very cold. Oh, dang it.
Don't worry.
This is pretty hard. Can I put mine in there?
Sure. I would add, if I were you, I would add bigger crushed bits to the top of the cookie so it's peeking out.
Got it.
If you want for visual appearance, so people know what's in the cookie.
I'm gonna need you to try this dough.
Is it really good?
Yes.
Oh my god. That's really good.
It's so yummy with the sugar cookie. Wow, wow, wow.
Yeah, that's really good.
These look great.
I'm a little worried they're not pretzel flavored enough, but we will find out.
Wait, does the dough taste pretzel-y?
I can't really tell, to be honest. You want to try it?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. No, it's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look what we're doing here, Dad. Wow. We're good at this.
This is amazing.
And then with chocolate on top.
I love cookies.
Did you do all brown sugar or did you do white sugar too?
I did all brown.
Okay. So they won't spread as much. So you have some space
Okay.
to play with.
So
there.
like I could
So you could
do.
potentially do 8, I think.
Let's do it then.
Okay.
Cookie science.
Add some chunks of pretzels on top.
I still have to press them down. I'm so sorry.
Thumbprint. I'm excited.
So just like,
Go for it. Just like enough for a little cavity of jam.
I'm stuck. Like that.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm really excited for your cookies.
I hope they turn out okay. I'm getting nervous now.
Why?
I don't know. Because I'm so excited about the dough that I really want it to turn out okay. How much do you think I should? Just like a little.
Just to fill the little hole. That's it. And you can always add more on top afterwards.
Hmm?
Like, what you plan to do chocolate?
Yeah.
Because you could always melt this down a little bit, just heat it, and then drizzle it over as well.
Okay, is that good?
Yeah, I think it looks great. They look so good. They look so cute.
I hope that they're okay.
I think they're gonna be great.
You can do it. I'm so curious how they taste.
Me
'Cause,
too.
like, the-
Once everything together.
Yeah, the dough is just like.
The dough's delish.
Jam is so nice. Sugar.
And the pretzel cookies are over here.
I love them. We're doing it.
Popping them in the oven. We can probably put them side by side.
Perfect. Here we go. We did it. Mostly,
True.
almost.
Yeah, we gotta prep toppings.
Yes.
We're both just melting chocolate, right?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Love it.
Like that?
Yeah.
Or should I dip part of the back?
I don't know.
I don't know. Maybe I'll dip a little bit of the back.
Look at these cookies.
Wow. That down.
Oh, that looks so good.
And then we'll do a little sprinkle more of. Look good?
Hell yeah.
Okay.
Hell yeah.
Oh, I lost part of the cookie.
Well, that's unexpected.
That's okay. You can't really tell.
No.
I think it's because I hit the bottom. Should I get that cookie out of there?
Eat it.
So chocolatey.
Yeah.
Okay, that is so cute, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Mine are still over here cooling a bit. Looking pretty tasty.
I'm so excited.
I'm nervous, actually. I don't want to be a clump, so I might have to make a mess so that it is. Okay, I kind of wanted more than that.
Yeah, I was wondering.
That's too thin. Okay, we can do this.
You can do it. You just gotta go from high
Oh.
and start. The clump will start on the,
Yeah.
Nice. Wait, how many sprinkles do you want? How's this holding?
I would say it should be more sprinkles than sugar cone.
Do you want sugar cone first, then sprinkles, or sprinkles then sugar
This
cone?
is sugar cone first.
Okay.
Let's see. Whoa, they look so fun.
They do look a lot of fun. Keep it but these are beautiful.
Yay! Oh, they're so fun. This is my personality in a cookie. And hopefully it doesn't just look good. Because like my personality is good on the outside and the inside. Why are you laughing?
Yes, no, absolutely. Hello.
Taste test.
Alright. You want to taste one at a time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Start with yours?
Okay. Oh, I'm nervous.
Okay, but like they're so cute.
They are.
Like this is what I imagine a kid would be like, this is my perfect cookie.
Hopefully.
Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. It's so good. It is missing that ice cream vibe, but like, it's really good.
Whoa. I love it. Okay.
It's only missing the ice cream.
Because it's got the sugar cone flavor so well.
Yeah. This with some ice cream? Wow.
Have you made this for an ice cream sandwich?
Mm-hmm. This is really good. I really like this.
Mmm.
Chocolate dipped pretzel cookies. Let's hope the cookies aren't frozen.
It's pretty hard.
Spit it out. Really hard. That's really nice. I actually like that a lot. Let it sit out of the freezer for a little bit before you eat it, but oh my god, it's so good. I really like these.
Yes. I feel like both of these are so good. What we developed, and then you just tweak them a bit,
Yeah.
and they're good to go.
What are your fave?
I don't know. They're very different.
They're very different. I think I would eat more of these only because they're less intense. These are very intense.
Yeah.
But these are freaking good. The cookie is incredible with the sugar cone in it.
Yeah, but you could eat.
An actual whole one of
The
those.
saltiness is so good.
Replace flour with things, guys.
Really, that's what we've done here.
I think that's the lesson here.
That's the secret that they're not telling you about epic cookies.
Yeah. Well, vote for which one you would eat. It's not a challenge. We just make cookies together.
It's not a competition. This was just like a development
Yeah.
process.
Let us know. Oh my god, that cookie is so good. That's wild. Woo! Let us know which recipe you want, or if you want both of them.
You're probably gonna
We'll
get
develop. Honestly, I think we should continue to develop these ones because like these are cool flavors. I really want to figure out how to make this taste more like ice cream.
Right?
Like I wonder if it's something like using vanilla bean instead of vanilla extract.
Oh, so yeah, more intense vanilla.
Yeah, and I wonder if you also do a dollop of something creamy, whether it's an icing, but like I don't want it to be an icing,
Yeah.
or like I don't know, something along those lines where it's got a really hit of like fresh vanilla bean.
And I thought like I wish it was a lighter looking cookie so it looked more like
I think we could
vanilla ice cream.
I think we could figure that out.
I was gonna say I would try a coconut oil, but a coconut oil that is, I think it's a refined one that doesn't actually have a coconut flavor to it.
Yeah, ours has that. Yeah.
And then you won't taste it and you'll get the lighter color.
Yeah. I think I would also somehow get more strawberry into this. Whether it's drizzling it on as opposed to the thumb.
Or like
I don't
dried
know.
strawberry pieces.
Ooh, yeah. Freeze-dried strawberry. Yeah. Or raspberry, whatever it is. Yeah, that's nice.
Okay, so yeah, we will keep developing these.
Yeah, they're fun.
Let us know what you thought of this process. If you
Yeah.
have other cookie ideas.
Or honestly, if you want us to, like, if you just like this style of video where we're just baking, coming up with ideas, it doesn't have to be cookies. Like, we can film recipe development. That can be a video.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're fine with
If
this.
you want like this style again, but us doing it with something else.
Yeah. Pasta,
Oh.
pizza,
Oh.
scones.
You're just naming like all the favorite foods.
The things that are you go to our blog for.
Yeah.
Cinnamon rolls?
We have so many.
Yeah.
Although
Muffins?
we have a lot of cookies.
Muffins are my new thing now. I'm really liking making muffins because I figured out a base recipe that works really well.
And we could use more muffins.
We definitely need
Okay.
more muffins on the blog.
Let's talk about it in the comments and share this with somebody else who loves cookies
Yes.
as much as we do.
Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hutch. Come taste cookies.